Alright guys, today let's look at this very important problem, Leetcode 121, best time to buy and sell stock. So the problem is like this. Say you have an array for which the ith element is the price of a given stock on day I. If you were only permitted to complete at most one transaction, and you buy one and sell one share of stock, design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. For example, we have 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4. Then we buy on day 2 and then sell on day 5. Then the profit we can get is 5. Okay, so how to approach that problem? Let's have a look. For example, if our stock changes like this, say if it's like this, okay, for example, the stock changes like this. So what we want to do is when we reach the minimum here, then the next day, then when we buy it, when at some day, after the minimum the price is larger than the minimum, then we buy it here, then we get profit. Say this is the profit we get. Say it's $7, so that's good. And then so this is the so we always want to make sure that we buy at a price high, and we buy at a price at the minimum and sell at a price at a very high value. So if we sell here, then that's less than 7, so that's not good. Sell here, that's not good. Here is not better than, so that is a little better than 7, so that's good. So after reaching here, we find the minimum. It's not this one anymore. The minimum reaches here. So when the minimum reach here, so we should buy here because we will make profit. So if we buy here, you can see it's less than 7. So the maximum profit is actually not buy here and sell here. So so we should keep so the max profit is something we need to keep track of. We should compare it with itself, max profit and some sell minus buy. And also we should keep track of a minimum, so the minimum price should also be keep track of. So we update the minimum value and also update the max profit value, profit value, and then we return the max profit. Okay, so let's have a look at the program. So the edge case is if not prices return 0, hence equals so prices if length equals 1, then we should return 0. Minimum price is something we need to keep track of, and also max profit. We initialize them to be 0 for price in prices if the price is smaller than minimum price, then the minimum price should be updated to price. So here I think this should not be, this should be initialized to be a large value. Okay, else then we should update the max profit max profit and the price we sell minus the minimum price, which should be the price we buy it. Then we return max profit. Let's have a look. Okay, so that's good. That's problem 1. Best time to buy and sell stock at only one transaction. So what about if we can do a lot of transactions to make our profit as much as possible? In order to solve that problem, let's go to another problem, a similar question, which is best time to buy and sell stock number 2. So we should delete it. Okay, so for best time to buy and sell stock number 2, we can make as much transactions as you like, but we should make sure that buy one and sell one share of the stock multiple times, but we should make sure that we must sell the stock before we buy it again. So how to handle that problem? Okay, so in order to handle that problem, let's go to stock share. Okay, let's add a section. 2, maybe not that one. Let's leave it blank. Okay. Rename it 1 to 1. Okay. Add a page. 1. Okay, so we have a stock like this. Pen. Okay, so we have a stock like this. Okay, so how to make the most profit? We make the most profit whenever we see an increase. See, if we see an increase, we buy here and then sell here. See an increase, we buy here and sell here. We see an increase, we do it. So every increase should be added to our profit. Only in that way can we make the most profit. So the algorithm is actually quite simple. So the edge case is not prices turn 0, yes, prices if length equals 1, then we should return 0. Result equals 0 for I range 1. is I larger than price is I minus 1, then we should add it to our profit. Price is I minus price is minus 1, return result. Let's see. Alright, then it passes. So this is a ON time complexity and O1 space complexity solution, which is the best solution for this problem. And so in a summary, we did 2 problems today. One problem is best time to buy and sell stock number 1. So in that problem, we can only make 1 transaction. So we want to update the minimum price and update at the same time, and then update the maximum profit, and in order to get the best profit. So in the second problem, we can make as much transaction as we want. So in order to make the most profit, we need to make use of every stocks that goes up. So add every goes up sections, and then we get the best profit. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe it. My name is Jimmy. Thank you very much. Bye bye.